Today, we're delving into the world of classic Italian pasta recipes, dishes that every foodie should master to experience the authentic flavors of Italian cuisine. Let's explore some iconic pasta dishes and learn how to prepare them like a true Italian chef. Number 1. Spaghetti carbonara. Start with a pot of boiling salted water and cook spaghetti until al dente. While the pasta cooks, heat olive oil in a skillet and add diced pancetta or guanciale. Cook until crispy, then remove from the heat. In a bowl, whisk together eggs, grated pecorino romano cheese, and black pepper. When the pasta is cooked, drain it, reserving some of the cooking water. Add the hot pasta to the skillet with the pancetta, then quickly stir in the egg and cheese mixture. The residual heat will cook the eggs and create a creamy sauce. If needed, add a splash of pasta water to loosen the sauce. Serve immediately with an extra sprinkle of cheese and freshly cracked black pepper. Number 2. Fettuccine Alfredo. Cook fettuccine in boiling salted water until al dente. In a separate pan, melt butter over medium heat and add heavy cream. Simmer until slightly thickened, then stir in grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese until melted and smooth. Drain the cooked pasta and add it to the sauce, tossing to coat evenly. If the sauce is too thick, add a splash of pasta water to thin it out. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then serve immediately, garnished with chopped parsley and additional cheese if desired. Number 3. Penne all'arrabbiata. Cook penne pasta in boiling salted water until al dente. In a skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat and add minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Cook until fragrant, then add canned, crushed tomatoes and a pinch of sugar. Simmer the sauce for about 10 minutes until it thickens slightly, then add cooked penne to the skillet. Toss to coat the pasta in the sauce, then serve immediately, garnished with freshly chopped parsley and grated Parmesan cheese. Number 4. Lasagna bolognese. Start by making a classic bolognese sauce with ground beef, onions, carrots, celery, garlic, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, red wine, and herbs. Simmer the sauce for at least an hour until rich and flavorful. Layer cooked lasagna noodles in a baking dish with the bolognese sauce, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers until the dish is filled, then top with more sauce and cheese. Cover the lasagna with aluminum foil and bake in a preheated oven for about 45 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. Let the lasagna rest for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Number 5. Pesto Genovese. In a food processor, combine fresh basil leaves, pine nuts, garlic, grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, and olive oil. Blend until smooth, then season with salt and pepper to taste. Cook your favorite pasta shape in boiling salted water until al dente, then drain and toss with the pesto sauce. Garnish with additional cheese and toasted pine nuts before serving. These classic Italian pasta recipes are beloved around the world for their delicious flavors and comforting appeal. By mastering these dishes, you'll be able to experience the true essence of Italian cuisine and delight your taste buds with each mouth-watering bite.